Okay, so the last piece of this assignment is your schedule of accounts receivable. I went ahead and I just typed them in so you guys didn't have to wait for me to type. These are very simple. All you need to do is you just need to come back to your tab down here that says accounts receivable ledgers, and you need to start at the top, and you need to list each company, and you need to list the balance that is left. So you can see Brooks and Bennett had a balance of $1,499.48. So that is what I recorded here in their schedule of accounts receivable. When you are finished, you're just going to go ahead and total them. If for some reason you run across an account that does not have a balance, it's at zero, you do not have to record it in here. Okay, but again, just list the balances they have left from these accounts receivable. You do not have to do you do not put the general ledgers in, just the accounts receivable. Okay, and then you create your schedule. To double check yourself, this total accounts receivable should match your accounts receivable in your general ledger. So if we wanted as a business to go back and say, okay, how much does everybody owe us total for accounts receivable? Here is the number we would go to. Okay, if we wanted to know how much does Brooks and Bennett owe us, this is why we break it down a little bit further here to our accounts receivable. We could say, okay, they owe us $1,499.48. So when we create the schedule, it again brings all of the people back together for one total that should match your accounts receivable ledger. And that is it.